Hello, Anshu here. So today we are going to understand the 5D creation and also 3D living life as per the 5D creation. So what happens 3D living life is we are living life physically and we go to fifth dimension to make our dreams and our plans, future plans, short term and long term goals. So, up until now, all the human beings were doing this. But what was happening that in a family situation, only some dominant individuals or controllers they were making their plans and they were dominating other people in realizing their plans and goals. The people who were under them or in a family situation, they were also making their plans short term and long term, but they were making their plans under the dominant ones. So they were aware that these are the dominant individuals and we cannot shake their plans. But what is happening now, because of the evolutionary timings, humans are moving from tribal to the family consciousness, and from the family consciousness, they are going to individual consciousness. So people now are aware of their own interests, passions, and goals. And they are not only making them, they want to see them physically also, realize them. So, and if these goals are not being honored and understood or supported by the dominant ones or the controllers, then it is causing unhappiness, pain, and hurt, and sometimes breaking of the relationship and even rebellion. So, everybody wants to now make their own plans and they also want to enjoy their creation. They want to live it. So, this is the cause of many relationship breakups these days: inability to honor individual choices and dreams, to avoid resentment, bitterness, and suppression. But the good news is, on the brighter side, balancing is also happening. Individuals are not only asserting their choices either peacefully or in rebellion, but the dominant and the controllers are also understanding these dynamics. And they are forced to step back, rethink, and withdraw their control and narcissistic behavior. So they are being forced to withdraw their control and manipulation at the expense of other person's wishes and wants. So this is the age of cooperation, and soon we hope to see the peaceful and the respectful merger of these polarities where everybody is able to make their own plans, wishes, and interests, follow their own interests and passions, and also live them. So that's all for today. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.